Welcome to Tiski Diary, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to give it a like and remember to subscribe. Is Pitso Mosimane finally coming to Kaiser Chiefs? Don't go anywhere. We will talk about that. Let us hear what the man had to say about the Kaiser Chiefs job.
Coach, a Kaiser Chiefs doesn't have the budget of everywhere where you've been.
But we're talking Kaiser Chiefs. They've always had the best players ever. That's why we're talking about Kaiser Chiefs. We're not talking about Maritzburg United to turn around things. We're talking about Kaiser Chiefs. They had Max Maponyane. They had everybody. The best players were playing for Kaiser Chiefs. The best
shoes.
The best players, shoes. Even Sean Bartlett. Yeah. Everybody. The best players played for Kaiser Chiefs. So you cannot win games when you don't have good players. How does Manchester City turn around things? Because Pep Guardiola is a musician. He's got Haaland. He's got all these top players. So you've got to have the players. And also with me at Sundowns, for me to turn it around, we have players. And look what it has happened. They kept buying the good players. Hans Rulani is also top of his game, and they're still winning. So you go. Why is Paris good? You got to buy the players. In football, if you don't have the players, you can't win. I don't care what coach you have or which coach you have. It's a combination of everything.
Kamabidet is at Sundowns is a good player. Castro is at Sundowns is a good player. Keegan Dolly is at Sundowns. They're actually the CBD.
Yeah. Tembazwane.
They go to, those three in particular, go to Chiefs.
Yeah.
Things change around. You don't see that quality anymore.
It's a combination of everything. You must have a top coach. You must have a top players. Ancelotti, he told.
Yeah, guys, that is the latest clip. Pitso ukhuluma Kaiser Chiefs in terms of that job. We can see Uguti, things are going disarray since Nabi has left the team. Yeah, there are two assistant coaches that Chiefs were hoping that they probably will continue with Nabi's great job, what he was doing in terms of we won the Nedbank Cup last season, but sibonile ukuthi uNabi makangekho i-team beyiwina with the two assistant coaches. However, since uNabi angekho, yeah, the team has dipped in form. So nimzwile, guys, that was uPitso Mosimane in his own words. That clip, unfortunately, it is not new. So don't go anywhere. We will talk about Pitso Mosimane's links with Kaiser Chiefs and why Pitso Mosimane he is being linked with Kaiser Chiefs. However, as Kulumenga, the latest news is that Undlondlo Yamanzi says because Kaiser Chiefs did not give him the recognition or the credit after winning the Nedbank Cup. That is why he says he has cursed the team. And the Kaiser Chiefs, Bonama Flames, they won't be winning anything anytime soon because they failed to give him credit. So yeah, it goes on to say if you read Utiena, he went to from Devon to Naturena and to FNB Uyoqinisa, which Kaiser Chiefs win in Nedbank Cup. However, because the Chiefs azange imnikeze credit, they will go back to where they were before winning the Nedbank Cup. That is that drought. Chiefs ihlala 10 years without winning anything. And yeah, Tlhapi Motsepe, I think that is weird. What is weirder than that is that Tlhapi Motsepe, the Sundowns chairman, he is going on a SAFA C coaching course. Tlhapi Motsepe, Sundowns chairman, going for a Lokuzana, a coaching course with ISAFA. I believe it's a SAFA C that he is doing. I believe the son of Jessica Motaung is also in the same class with Lokuzana, with Tlhapi Motsepe. So yeah, both Kaiser Chiefs and Mamelodi Sundowns do have representation Lapayana on in that class. Ndu Shabalala will be used in the number 10 position, says Hugo Bros. Lapayana kubafana bafana nibonile Ndu Shabalala. He replaced Rele Mufukeng. And yeah, that is, we'll see how if Mtu will get some playing minutes. But yeah, Hugo Bros saying that he will be using him in the number 10 position. And also, Ikram Reyners, we saw he's been replaced by Evidence Makopa. Evidence Makopa replacing Ikram Reyners due to injury. And yeah, also congratulations to Khuliso Mtau and Yaya Toure for being back in the national team. Yaya Toure making a return to Bafana Bafana. And under fire, Mamelodi Sundowns coach Miguel Cardoso will be judged on the Champions League performances. We saw that Tlhapi Motsepe wanted to get rid of the coach. However, his father, Patrice Motsepe, intervened, saying that they cannot get rid of the coach just before the Club World Cup. So yeah, Miguel Cardoso keeping his job. However, guys, it is being rumored that the chairman is not happy with Cardoso, and the coach's performances are currently under review. So I will keep you guys posted regarding Miguel Cardoso and the latest. However, yeah, news breaking or news making their way to my desk is that Mamelodi Sundowns will judge the coach on on delivering the Champions League. So yeah, that is his mandate, and that is what he was, signed for. Rolani was fined 740 USD for protesting a referee's decision in their 1-0 win over Mostar Ganem. Yeah, that is Rulane. You saw he's got a fantastic record, La Payana, Alger, and yeah, he's won 4 out of 5 games and 1 draw. So yeah, he is also in the title race. That is Urulani. Kaiser Chiefs fans can expect to see Roshwin Dodley no Mosimang after the international break. Roshwin Dodley and Msimang, I think everybody will be happy to hear those names. We've seen Kaiser Chiefs that they've been conceding goals lately. They're going back to their old habits. Last season, Kaiser Chiefs conceding goals again and not scoring, conceding and not scoring. That is why you see them losing games, the Kaiser Chiefs. And also, you can expect Igodaro will be available after the international break. So yeah, Kaiser Chiefs fans, expect Igodaro to be available after the international break. While Cedric Gaze believes that they are still in charge of the team, Kaiser Chiefs, Jessica Motaung and Kemiso Motaung were seen with Pito Musimane's agent. You guys, you are well aware Uguti Upito Musimane. He is represented by his spouse or his wife. It is reported that Kemiso Motaung and Jessica Motaung were seen meeting with Pito Musamane's wife at Trump's Grill House restaurant in Sentin. So yeah, it is not known why the two ladies were with Pito Musamane's agent, but yeah, you can see that Kaiser Chiefs they have a recent run of poor form. So yeah, speculation is rife ukuthi uKemiso njengoba bambona laphayana no Jessica meeting with Kaiser Chiefs with Pito Musimane's wife, it is because of the Kaiser Chiefs job. Nemzwile laphayana Pito Musimane saying that Chiefs is a big team, is open to coaching Kaiser Chiefs. This is another video that Pito Musimane says he speaks about the Kaiser Chiefs job. Let's hear what he has to say.
We should respect the brand also. It's a big brand. It's a team I follow the same. We should respect it. And Thomas, is how we do coaches. When Chiefs players go to the grandstand, no, I don't do that. I don't need it. Okay? So if it is meant to be, it will be there. And I declare to you officially on TV, I am here, I'm available, I'm a professional coach. Okay? If it has to be, it will be. Do I want to coach Kaizer Chiefs? Why not? Why not coach Kaizer Chiefs? Why not?
Yeah, that is Ulo Kuzan, Pito Musimane speaking on the Kaiser Chiefs job. Pito Musimane revealing that he is open to coaching Kaiser Chiefs. So yeah, guys, as I'm breaking the news, Jessica Motaung and Kemiso Motaung were seen in a restaurant, La Payana Essentin, with Pito Musimane's wife. So that has sparked speculation. Ogoti Pito Musimane could very well be going to Kaizer Chiefs. We see ukuthi Ben Yosef no Cedric Kaze, they are struggling, and yeah, Pitso Mosimane saying that if Kaizer Chiefs have the quality players, we saw Kaizer Chiefs buying quality players, going all out to ukuthi babe net depth. So yeah, guys, drop your thoughts on comments. Remember to like and subscribe. That is Pitso Mosimane edging ever close to the Kaizer Chiefs job. That is the latest news, guys. I will keep you posted, and yeah, we will wait for the official announcements. The coaches, Cedric Gaze and Ben Yosef, they are still at the helm. We will see what will happen at Ilokuzan after the international break. However, yeah, those are the latest developments. Ukemiso no Jessica babonwe bakhuluma ne-agent yakapitso Mosimane, sparking rumors ukuthi uPitso could very well be heading to Naturena. Drop your thoughts on comments and tell me what do you think regarding that move. Bye bye.